my name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Okay, Sarah, how are you? How are you?
I am Lion.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, are you ready? Alright, so in here we're going to start, and what's this? Number 1.
This is flower.
Number 2.
This is tree. This is heat.
Hill.
Hill.
What is 1?
This is river.
What can you see? I can see.
I can see tree. I can see hill.
Number 1. Play.
Play soccer. Run row.
Fly.
Fly a kite.
Fly a kite.
Fly a kite. Fly a kite.
He can or can't, or she can or can't. Number 1.
Can. He can
Play.
soccer. He can ride a bike. She can play soccer.
How do you read this one?
Can.
Can't.
Can.
Can. She.
She can play soccer.
What can you do? I can.
I can ride a bike
And
and run road.
can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't.
Oh, can you see a turtle?
Yes, I can.
Can you see an ant?
No, I can't.
What animal is it? Number 6.
This is bear.
Number 3.
This is monkey.
4.
This is elephant.
Where is the tiger? It's
on the rock.
Where are the snakes? There.
They are
On
on the rock.
Yes, they can. No, they can. Can zebras run?
Yes, they can.
Can elephants hop?
No, they can.
This is my number 1. This is my
arm.
number 4. This is my.
My foot.
Oh, this is foot. This is my leg.
Leg.
Alright. What's this?
It is now.
What can you do? I can.
Wash my face.
I can wash my.
Wash my face.
How about number 3?
I can wash my teeth.
Brush.
Wash my teeth.
What do you do in the morning? I
wash my face.
in the morning. What's that? What's that? Number 3. What's that? That's Small.
Small.
Ball.
Boat.
Ball.
Boy.
Ball.
Boy.
That's a.
That's a boy.
Okay. Are those noisy cars? Yes, they are. No, they
Yes,
aren't.
they are.
Is it a fast car?
No, they are.
Is it a fast car? Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay. How about this one? What's this?
It is tree.
Dream? Boat.
Boat.
Boat. This is boat. How about number 7? This is
This is
train.
train. It is car.
Bike. This is bike. Number 8.
Car.
This is.
This is car.
Alright. Thank you, Sarah. Very